To set the scene for a relaxing and sensual romantic massage, focus on ambiance by ensuring a clean, clutter-free space with soft sheets and pillows, adjusting the room temperature for comfort, and dimming the lights, ideally using candles for mood lighting. Before starting, eliminate distractions by turning off electronics and spend a few minutes connecting with your partner. Utilize a natural oil like sweet almond or coconut oil, warmed between your hands and optionally scented with essential oils such as lavender. Begin with long strokes and gentle pressure on the neck and shoulders, moving to the lower back, and then massaging the arms and legs to promote full body relaxation. Remembering to check in about pressure. Be sure to also give attention to the feet and work on the inner thighs with firm but gentle pressure, allowing the flow of the massage to progress naturally and attentively.